Hey, Yorby. Are you still playing with everybody? Where's your toy? Where's the toy? What's he doing? Huh? What are you doing? What's he doing? Is he being silly? He's playing with everything today, huh?
Oh, give the ball back to Ghost Mom. That's Ghost Mom's ball.
Come here, bud. Boy, we got all kinds of friends here today, don't we? We got all kinds of friends.
Oh, yeah.
Got all kinds of friends. All kinds of friends. Where'd Ghost go? Where'd your ghost buddy go?
He's out there in the field.
There he is. Where's your frisbee? Hey, you. Where's your frisbee? Where's your frisbee?
Good boy. You're fun to play with, Dexter.
Come on, you. Go get your frisbee. Go get your toy. Where's your toy? Get your toy. There you go. Can you bring it here? Can you drop it? Can you drop it? Good boy. You ready? You ready? Here we go. You're silly. You're silly. You're silly.